what we do? We collect food. Normally we don't buy food. We collect food from different origins, from the manufacturers, from the milk, rice, and so on. We collect all this type of food, and we distribute this food to the people who are needing food. But we do not distribute directly the food to the people. Why? Because it is a must that we must know the people. And for your information, in Lisbon we distribute food for something like about 65,000 people. So it's impossible for us to know all those people. You are understanding what I'm saying? My English is first English. Okay, understand. So what we do, there is several institutions, religious institutions, mayor, municipalities, institutions, and so on. They know small amount of people, 50 people, 100 people that need the food, and we distribute the food through those institutions. Something like 300 institutions is what we use to distribute the food. We are increasing year after year. We started in 92, small installations, was not here, small installations, big amount of people, and year after year we are increasing about 5–10%, because unfortunately in Portugal there is a lot of people needing food. So there is a lot of institutions, there is a lot of people that every month, every day, they want, they need to have food. And so we increase step by step. As I said, 1 million people, or something like 300,000 people. The 65,000 people, 300 institutions just in the entire country, we cover something like 300,000 people.